Hello, in this video you will learn how to find HACS advising resources. Start by going to HACS website. Next, click on Current Students. Scroll down and click on Advising and Counseling. Here you will find information related to advising and counseling, including hours and locations, and how to find your academic advisor. You can also find information on degree evaluations, including how to run a degree evaluation. In order to locate your advisor, you will need to go to your MyHAC page. On your MyHAC page, look under Advising, then click on Find My Advisor. Choose the term and click Submit, and your advisor information should appear.